My job recently bought us this DeWALT drywall sander, so I decided to make a quick review on it to help you decide if you want to buy one of these. Okay, here we have the tool review of the DeWALT 20 volt brushless 2000. Nah, I don't know about the 2000, I'm just talking shit. But here's the model number. It has a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Apparently, you can attach a DeWALT tool tracker to this thing in case someone steals it. Here are the specs. Got these removable pads. Open this, extend this out. Let's see how far this goes out. It's 48 inches when it's not extended. So it extends out an extra 14-15 inches. The whole thing looks like it's 5 feet. It has adjustable speeds, a button you can lock in the on position. It has this funky connection back here for a vacuum that you can't find a part for. Doesn't work with a small vac. Got to use something like this, bigger. Let's see what size this is. This 16 gallon. So again, you gotta use one of these big batteries. Them little ones ain't gonna cut it, and you better have backup. Again, with this funky connection, you can't use the skinny hose. No good. The one that comes with the 16 gallon is too big. I don't know where we got this from, but this is what I'm gonna use. So got that in there. Put this in here. Then I'll duct tape everything together. So here's the ceiling I'm gonna be using it on. Let's see how this thing works. So we'll do one without the vacuum so you can see how dusty it gets. I had to stop and put on a mask. This thing created a super cloud. Okay, now this is with the shop vac on, connected. I already used this sander days ago. I connected a small Stinger shop vac to this. I had to connect the hose with duct tape, and it didn't suck any of the dust. It was terrible. I even had the shop vac cleaned out. You have to use this with a large shop vac, one that has that funky connection to it. Maybe the DeWALT shop vac has that connection. Here are my thoughts on this drywall sander. They made this so you have to get a DeWALT vac to use this thing, cause I can't find no adapter to this to use with any other shop vac hose, which I think sucks. Another thing that doesn't make sense to me is that this is battery powered. Regardless, it's going to be a shop vac connected to this with a hose, and the shop vac is also going to be plugged in. They should have just made this with one of them short cords that you plug an extension cord onto it. Another thing I don't like about this is the weight. The box states is only about 8 and something pounds, but it feels a lot heavier than this, especially when you attach one of them batteries to it. If you had to use this on a large project where the whole house was mudded, I hope you're built with gorilla shoulders, cause this thing is gonna get heavy quick. If you ask me, will I be using this again? My answer will be yes. It made quick work of the sanding process. And for the work we do around here, I don't need to have gorilla shoulders. We're usually in and out like a crack house when it comes to work orders. Will I buy this for myself? For $500? Hell no. DeWALT has a corded one for about $200. That's better than this, I think. You can see this, but it's still kind of dusty in here. Not as bad. If you do this in the living, you definitely don't want to plaster it off the other rooms anyway. But it does smooth out the plaster pretty good. So now I get to dry this off and skim coat it again and mud it again. And it's probably going to work good on the floor. You can see anything on the floor, like the wood floor. The bootleg connections held up pretty good. Now do with this review as you will. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Peace.